Hello and welcome to the Oxshott local news. Today we are reporting about the train crash. There is the line. No trains will be coming down that.
I can hear something!
Soon, because it is closed because of the cement mixer which fell on it on a train. In the distance you can see the station where the trains dock and stay for a bit, and that's where it happened, the tragedy. The cement mixer fell on the train. Here we are at Oxshott station. As you can see behind me, they are trying to take the train out from under the bridge. I think they have already done it. In the distance you can see men working on the track, and it is all baffled and not parallel anymore. There is also a trainee thing which went along the track to help. You can also see men working on the bridge to try and fix it. On the left-hand side it fell and the cement mixer fell onto the train while it was in the station. The bridge will be open later this afternoon, and as you can see, it won't be finished. It will be finished in 3 weeks. It will be scaffolding up for the other weeks. This is a girl who saw the action. What did you do when you saw the train had been pulled, when the cement mixer fell onto the train? Yeah. And what did your mum do? The train track will be open tomorrow morning, and the road will be open one way. This is Adam Saunders reporting out. Back to the studio.